I'll show you how to make some buttery dinner rolls. We're going to make clover leaf rolls and fantan rolls. So take our second batch of dough. Remember to flour the surface again. These we're going to prepare in a muffin tin. And you'll need to grease that muffin tin. I have some melted margarine. You could use melted butter. And just brush that pan with the melted margarine all over. Okay. For the clover leaf rolls, we'll cut small little balls about the size of a walnut and roll them in your hands like this. 1, 2, 3. Then you dip them in a little butter or margarine and set them in your pan like this. Okay? Now it's a little more. When these come out, the butter will help them pull apart. They'll stick together mostly, but then the butter will help them pull apart.